Hello and welcome. If you're eyeing Flashloop AI as your go-to app for making short AI videos, here's what it is, what it does well, what users complain about, and what to watch out for. Flashloop is an AI video generator available on web, iOS, and Android. It uses Google's Veo 3 and Veo 2 models to convert text or images into short cinematic videos, complete with audio, effects, ambient sounds, and motion. Perfect for creators making content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or ads. On the plus side, users praise its clean interface, speed, and how easy it is to start, especially for beginners. There are prompt libraries, templates, and the ability to animate images or transform a text idea into video without needing editing skills. The privacy policy says you keep ownership of your content, can delete uploads, and your data is handled with standard security practices. On the flip side, there are several drawbacks. Many users say the subscription is expensive, often complaining that the video quality doesn't match high expectations for the price. Some report the app freezes on startup, or that the videos generated don't reflect what they described in the prompt, so you waste credits. Others say the pricing is unclear or what you're required to pay just to use core features. So, is it worth using? If you are a creator who needs fast, eye-catching short video content and can afford the subscription, it could be a good tool, especially for social media content where polished visuals help. But if you're in a tight budget, need a lot of control, or expect exactness in every frame from your prompt, you might run into frustration and cost more than you expect. Bottom line, Flashloop is legit and has value, especially for quick content creators. But it comes with trade-offs. Make sure you try free credits first, test how well prompts translate to actual videos, and double-check pricing so you're not surprised. And that would be all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.